So imagine your life as a high definition screen, okay? The kind you'd use to binge watch your favorite shows. The screen displays a variety of images, vibrant or dull, based on what's being streamed, right? But the screen itself, it remains unchanged. It's a constant. It is just reflecting whatever content is being played on it. Similarly, your world functions like the screen, reflecting not random images, but the essence of who you are at any given moment, or who you are actually more dominantly. Are you resting more dominantly in a state of fulfillment and abundance, or are you contracting into this experience of lack, constant mindset of lack? Your reality is the ultimate high definition display, showing you exactly who you're being in each moment, whether that's a person living in abundance or someone marinating in lack. So the key here is you don't need to actively force the screen to change the images. It naturally adjusts based on the content you provide, which in this case is your state of being. So let's see how this applies to sort of wealth and money. So when it comes to manifesting wealth, many of us can get caught up in the hustle, the rigid actions, discipline, precise affirmations, meticulous visualizations, being super planned, working our bones. We think these are the layers or the levers that will bring us the prosperity we desire. But what if we've got it all backwards? What if instead of pushing harder, we need to understand something fundamental about our very nature? This is where resting in your fulfilled being, your true self, comes in. Resting in your being, meaning your true self or God self, means recognizing and settling into the infinite nature, the neutral nature of who you are, beyond just your thoughts, feelings, material possessions, and identities. It's understanding that you are inherently whole and that abundance is a natural state for you. This is not about clinging to specific affirmations like, I am wealthy, or obsessing over bank balances. It's about defocusing from the barrage of scarcity-driven thoughts and emotions and settling into the expansive, abundant nature of your true self. So let's look at an example. Okay, so let's say you are aiming to increase your financial abundance. You want more money in your business, in your bank account, whatever the case is. Instead of frantically checking stock prices or compulsively reading wealth building books, mindset hacks, millionaire mindset, whatever, just pause. Turn your attention, withdraw your attention from whatever you're doing. Rest in the understanding that abundance is not something you need to chase. It's something you allow by recognizing its ever-present nature in your life. By asking yourself, are you aware? Does this awareness have an ending? As you embrace this abundant mindset, you shift from doing to being. You're not manipulating numbers or strategizing every move. Instead, you are recognizing that, wait a second, awareness, since it does not have an ending, it is naturally abundant. So this naturally arises in your life as well when you're in sync with your true self. This allows opportunities for wealth to manifest organically, which is natural to you, okay, to you. Opportunities that resonate with the depth of your being, that feels natural in your experience. You might not get a lottery bag dropped in your lap, okay? So by consistently resting in this changing essence, the fluctuating thoughts and emotions have less hold on you. And one thing begins to lead to another. You have an impulse here, an impulse there. And all these thoughts that were clouding your judgment, they begin to pass. Just like, the blue sky always remains undisturbed, allowing clouds to pass. In this state, the natural state of abundance flows freely, manifesting wealth and opportunities in ways that might seem almost magical, but are just sort of natural. They are natural to you. So just like that high definition screen, your life will naturally reflect this inner landscape that you keep coming back to. So when you start defocusing from the relentless stream of your scarcity-driven thoughts and emotions, and instead rest in the unchanging essence of your abundance, your external world begins to transform. As you embrace this understanding, watch how your financial landscape begins to shift. People start calling you with ideas, maybe. Someone reaches out with an opportunity. Deals come through smoother. Opportunities knock more frequently, and wealth builds. Not because you forced it, but because you've recognized and rested in the ever-present abundance of your true nature. Now you have impulses, maybe to go here, talk to someone. So if you're ready to rest in this empowered self, where your deepest desires for wealth and money manifest, check out my More Than Enough for a guided experience on manifesting wealth in ways you didn't think was possible. Your life's going to get a whole lot richer, I guess, better. See it for yourself. And once again, notice how your actions will be inspired in different ways. Whatever you take, you'll just be doing it so naturally that you won't even think that, this one thing is the action that led me to the big manifestation. Your actions will feel natural. It's not something special that you're doing. And even people coming to you with, calling you, random person on the street, giving you heads up about different opportunities that are there, or making a comment here or there that spark different ideas in you, or even if you're in a current job and wanting a raise, people finding that they suddenly notice something that you've always been doing, but they suddenly notice that, or someone notices that differently about you and tells your officer, like not officer, but your boss or whoever is in charge, and things begin to shift. So allow yourself to come back to your neutral nature of your true self always, and notice how your life begins to move differently without you trying to chase a particular feeling or a particular thought. Okay? So let me know your comments down below.